Rebekah Vardy is being forced to pay Coleen Rooney £1.5 million in legal costs by next month. It comes after Rebekah Vardy took Coleen Rooney to the High Court, claiming the wife of Wayne Rooney had libelled her, a case which she lost. In a statement, Mrs. Justice Stein stated the total legal bill, which Coleen is yet to finalise with the court but was estimated by Coleen's lawyer, Paul Lunt, is estimated to be around £1.66 million. But Mrs. Justice Stein explained that she had done the best she can to estimate the likely level of recovery, but while bearing in mind that defendant had not yet produced a bill, the cost would be around £800,000. She wrote of Rebekah's action, "The claim has been dismissed. The defendant succeeded in establishing that the essence of the libel was substantially true." A court document obtained by the Mirror revealed that Coleen wanted 100% of her legal fees reimbursed, but Rebekah wanted to pay the sum of 80% after the judge had found in her favor for several matters disputed at the trial. The document goes on to state that defendant had originally sought payment of £1.25 million, but this figure was later dropped to £1 million. Rebekah, claimant, contends that the payment should be £361,174 if it was to total 80% of the costs, or £451,468 if all of the costs are to be paid on a standard basis. Should his turn to an indemnity basis, the claimant should be ordered to pay £726,000, inclusive of VAT. However, Vardy argued that she should not be made to pay the full costs due to three matters during which she was successful, including that of the secret WAG newspaper column. She also argued that Coleen's reveal post caused serious harm and argued against Coleen's claim that the post was in the public interest. A statement from Coleen's lawyer, Paul Lunt at Brabner's, issued to the Mirror read, "The High Court has today decided that Rebekah Vardy must pay Coleen Rooney's legal costs on an indemnity basis, the highest basis that the court could order. The reasoning given for this decision is that there was a finding at trial that Rebekah Vardy had deliberately deleted or destroyed evidence. That behavior falls outside the ordinary and reasonable conduct expected of a party in legal proceedings." This followed a separate finding regarding the loss of evidence that was in the possession of Rebekah Vardy's former agent, Caroline Watt. Coleen's pursuit of that evidence is a major reason why her legal costs increased substantially from the original estimates given to the court long before the start of the trial. Rebekah Vardy has been ordered to pay £800,000 to Coleen Rooney by 15th of November as an interim payment until the final total she must pay is either agreed or decided upon by the court. Naturally, Rebekah will also be responsible for her own legal costs of bringing her failed libel action against Coleen. Today's decision also makes Rebekah liable to pay for legal costs incurred by certain journalists from News UK, publishers of the Sun newspaper, following her unsuccessful efforts to involve them in the proceedings. Rooney, 36, had sensationally claimed that Rebekah's Instagram account had leaked several stories to the British media, including claims the basement of her Cheshire home had flooded and Coleen was planning a return to television work. Rebekah always denied she passed on the information, but in the High Court, Coleen effectively won the battle of the wags. Following the judgment, Rebekah expressed her disappointment in the verdict. The former Dancing on Ice contestant claimed Mrs. Justice didn't understand the case, and didn't look at everything, before going on to claim that she just read what was written in the media. Do you have a story to sell? Get in touch with us at webcelebs@mirror. or call us direct 0207 29 33 033.